Hello, let's look at this simple video where I shall help you understand how do you conduct attribute agreement analysis test using Minitab. For the purposes of demonstration, I have created some data for myself wherein a auditor number 1 has reviewed 10 particular parts and he's assigned certain quality scores to them. For purposes of verification, I appointed another auditor that I'm calling as QA2 for the same set of 10 samples. He's also put in his own quality assessment. I copy this data and paste it on Minitab. To be able to conduct attribute agreement analysis, you go to Stats, Quality Tools, and Attribute Agreement Analysis. In the attribute column, choose the data which has the responses. So I have quality scores that I'm looking at evaluating. Samples would be the unique serial numbers that you have. And appraisers, in my case, are the auditors who've audited the case files. Press OK and you will have the answer to the question that you've put forward. It's saying here inspected 10, matched 9. So your overall agreement is 90%. You also have a confidence interval of 55 to 99.75. All appraiser assessments agree with each other. Just see here, it says note single trial within each appraiser. I have used quality auditor 1 for sample number 1 just one time. I have not conducted any repeatability exercises. So should you conduct repeatability exercises, you will be able to get answers for within appraiser ratings as well. Let me now add repeatability exercises, that is, that the QA auditing the same files that he has done for repeatability purposes. I'm ready with my data. I called the same dialog box, pressed OK, and here I have the ratings. So my QA2 percentage is 100, while QA1 percentage is approximately 90. If you see the readings that is being shown here, it will give you within appraisers, between appraisers. So let's start reading this. It says for QA1, we've inspected 10, matched 9. So the agreement percentage is 90. If you've studied the effectiveness efficiency, you could use the same terms here as well. For QA2, inspected 10, matched 10, so 100% agreement. When I'm looking at between appraiser values, I have a 80% match, so I will call it efficiency score at 80%. If you had a known standard, you could have added that in say column C4. I'm simply copy pasting what QA1 has given me because standards can't change, so I'm copy pasting it over and over again. Now here if you see known standard, I can double click on the column where I have the standard information, press OK, and you will have appraiser versus standard rating as well. Now look at your own organizational standard and decide whether the percentage offered 80 is acceptable to you or not. I hope this simple video is helpful. Thank you.